go.
By the way, ma'am, we are already here. Can I have your key card? Allow me to place your bag, ma'am. Please come in. Here's your key card, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, I am Deo and I will be your personal butler for your entire stay. This will be your room for 3 days and 2 nights. Ma'am, allow me to give you a brief tour on your room. Over here, we have a smart television where you can access it freely, where you can also watch your favorite TV shows. Over here, we also have the mini bar. If you wish to have a refreshment, you can have water, soda, juices, and beer. We also have here some light snacks, which includes chips and fruits. However, anything that you will be consumed will be automatically charged on your bill. Over here, we also have air conditioning unit where you can adjust its temperature using the remote. You can adjust it on your desired temperature. Over here, you have your bathroom. Here's the toilet. You also have here your shower room and your bathtub. Both of your bathtub and your shower room includes hot and cold water. And you can adjust it on your desired temperature. And here's the vanity sink where you can find the toiletries for free. Over here, ma'am, you have your wardrobe where you can place your belongings, and inside the wardrobe there's a vault where you can place your important things such as your jewelries and money. You also have here your queen size bed. And over here, you have the telephone where you can freely access it. If you wish to contact something such as the room service, you can dial the number 3. If you wish to dial the front desk office, you can dial the number 0 and dial number 4 for housekeeping department, and dial 5 if you wish to contact the restaurant. By the way, ma'am, the restaurant is only located at the first floor along the lobby. We also have the menu of the said restaurant where you can contact them or you can visit them anytime you want. And if you wish to ask something or you have any concern, ma'am, please do not hesitate to ask me. And please enjoy your stay. Thank you.